Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. Now we are going to discuss about we can see remaining points. So I hope we'll work on it. Remaining. So image formations. We'll discuss. So concave mirror image formations. We'll discuss now. Okay, concave mirror. Image formation by concave mirror. Concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. Concave mirror image formations when the object is placed so at infinity. So if I'm considering, I'm taking this a concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. Okay. So I'm considering like this. This is the pole, focus, center of curvature. 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 Right. So pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. If object is placed at infinity, first point. So light rays will be coming parallel. Okay, we can see light rays will be coming like a parallel ones, right? So I'm considering like one light ray. So how many light rays are required to form the image of the object? Minimum 2 light rays. So minimum 2 light rays are required to form the image of the object. So you can see. So I'm taking one light ray. So if the light ray is coming like this, one light ray I'm taking like this, one light ray, and another light I'm considering like this. So another light ray, one light ray and another light ray. So here you can see, hi ma. So after reflection, see, after reflection. So here you can see like this. So object is at infinity. So image is formed at focus. Image is formed at this is the focus. Focus. Okay. So object is at infinity. Image is formed at focus. Clear? Object is. So check once. So once again, I am telling object is placed at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. So image is formed at focus. Image is formed at focus. So what type of image will form? Real inverted. Object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. Clear? Image will form at focus. Image will form at focus. So what is the nature of the image? If you are watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So if you have any doubts, any concerns related to this video, if you have any doubts, you can ask, you can comment. I'll explain. Okay. So here you can see object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. Image will form at focus. So how many light rays are required to form the image of the object? Minimum 2 light rays. So that's why I'm taking. So going on, courses, classes are going on every day. Okay, so people are buying the course. Now we can see object is at infinite, image will form at focus. What is the nature of the image? Real inverted. Nature is real inverted and size. Coming to the size is, so what is size? size is diminished. So coming to the size is highly diminished, not diminished, highly diminished, highly diminished, highly diminished. Highly diminished. Okay. So yes. So here you can see object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. Image will form at focus. Object is at infinity. Image will form at focus. Nature of the image is real inverted. Real inverted. And coming to the size is highly diminished. Size is highly diminished. Okay. So this is about image formation. First one. First image formation. So do you have any doubt on this? No, right? Okay. So I'm going to next one. So if you are considering, so I'm considering one more. So like this. So here is the pole, focus, center of curvature, pole, focus, center curvature. Oh, great. Nice. Nice one. Okay, done. Very good. So watch the videos and you can go it. So we'll discuss more. Now I'm taking object is placed behind center curvature like this. I'm placing here. So I'm placing here like this. You can see here. So anyone guess? So where image will form? Let me know. So where image will form? I will come back. Just check once. So very good. Yes. Very nice, ma. Very good. All the best. So for your future exams also, Daniel. Okay, done. So now come to the point. So object is placed beyond center curvature. Object is placed beyond center curvature. Okay. So one light ray I am taking like this. So it passes through focus. Another light ray I am considering through center curvature. Through center curvature like this. Okay, like this I am considering. So image will form between C and F. Image will form between C and F. Here. Image will form between C and F. So object is placed beyond C. Object is placed beyond C. So image will form. Where image will form? Image will form between C and F. Image will form between C and F. C and F. So what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image is real and inverted. So I am considering the nature. Nature you can see. Nature. Nature. Nature of the image is real and inverted. So nature of the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted. And size of the image is size of the image. Size of the image is diminished. Size of the image is diminished. Okay, check once. Clear? So object is placed beyond center of curvature, here placed. Image will form between C and F. Image will form between C and F. So nature of the image is real inverted. Size of the image is diminished. Compared to the objects, image size is reduced. Image size is reduced. So I hope it is clear to you all. Right? Yes. So next, one more image formation. Object is placed. How many are there CBSE students? Just drop a message. I want to see CBSE grade 10 physics. How many are there? Just drop a message. I want to see those students. Okay. So I'm considering next one. Next image formations I'm considering here. So here I'm considering this the pole, focus, center of curvature, pole, focus and center of curvature, right? Okay. Pole, focus and center of curvature. So now object is placed. So I'm placing the object at center of curvature. So I'm placing at center curvature. Object is placed at center curvature. So where image will form. So one lighter I'm taking like this. So it passes through focus. So another light ray, it passes. So here image will form at C only. So here you can see, here you have to observe, object is placed at C. Object is placed at C. Image also will form at C itself. Object is placed at C. Image also will form at C. So nature of the image. Coming to the nature of the image is, so object at C. Image will form at C. Nature of the image is real inverted. Real and inverted. Real and inverted. Inverted. And size of the image is, what is size? Same size. Same size. So do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. So if you have any doubts related to CBSE grade 10, so kindly do comment. If you have any doubts, you can. So now what our class is going on, based on that, if you have any doubt also, you can let me know. I'll clarify. Right? Okay, done. So now we're going with the next one. Concave mirror. So completed. So object is placed at C, image will form at C. Next one, object. So I'm considering one more. So pole, here is the pole. Pole is here. This is the focus. Pole, focus and center curvature I'm taking. This center curvature. Pole, focus, center curvature. Pole, focus, center curvature. Pole, focus, center curvature. Right? So I'm taking object is here. Object is here. One light ray I am taking like this. So it passes through focus. So one more light I am taking. So object is placed between C and F. Object is placed between C and F. Object is placed between C and F. Image will form beyond C. Beyond C. Nature of the image is nature. Coming to nature. So what is the nature? We have to discuss about nature. Nature is real inverted, real and inverted. And coming to the size is enlarged. So image size is enlarged. Image. Coming to size. Size is enlarged. Because if object except in where object is placed at C, so remaining all cases the image will changes according to the position. So if you place at center of curvature, image will be same size. So if you place between C and F, image will be enlarged. Enlarged image will form, right? So that is about next image formation. So we are going to the next one. Object is placed at F. Object is placed at F. So pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. So object is placed at F. Object is placed at F. One light I am taking like this. So you can see I am considering one lighter like this. So it passes through focus. So another lighter I am taking like here. Like this. So those light rays will meet at infinity. Okay. So even through pole also we can consider one more. Right? Yes. So next one, last case. I'm taking the last case. So here is the pole. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center curvature. So object is placed between F and P. Object is placed between F and P. Object is placed between F and P. One light I am taking like this. It passes through focus. So another light ray we can take through center of curvature, like here. So if you're extending these light rays, you can observe here. If you're extending these light rays, so image will form behind the mirror. Image will form behind the mirror, right? So here, behind the mirror, like this. Okay, so like this, behind the mirror, the image will form. So what is the nature of the image? So object is placed between F and P. Image will form behind the mirror, behind the mirror, behind the mirror. Nature of the image is virtual erect. So I'm considering the nature. Nature is virtual erect, virtual and erect. So virtual erect and size of the image is enlarged. Size is enlarged image. Right? So this is very, very important. So this question they'll ask for 3 marks. Very, very important. Make sure that, so where you will get virtual erect and enlarged image. So in concave mirror, what is the position of the image? So if you place the object between F and P, image will form behind the mirror. Nature is virtual erect and enlarged. Virtual erect and enlarged. Right? The object is placed at F, image will form at infinity. Nature is real inverted and enlarged. We discussed, right, that one. Okay, done. Next one. So we'll go with the convex mirror. So I'll explain convex mirror. Just check convex mirror. Convex mirror. Okay. So one light I'm taking like this. There is a pole, focus, center of curvature. So I'm taking one light ray here. So another light ray. So how many light rays are required to form the image of the object? Minimum 2 light rays. So in this case, object is at infinity, image will form at focus. Nature of the image is nature, virtual erect and highly diminished. Size of the image is highly diminished. Highly diminished. Size of the image is highly diminished. Clear? So that is about convex mirror image formation, first case. And coming to the second case I am considering. So pole, focus, center of curvature, pole, focus, center of curvature. Object is placed anywhere between F and P and infinity. One light I am taking like this. So it reflects back. Okay. So actually it passes through focus. So you can see here. So another light I am taking like this. So image will form here. So one light I am considering like this. One light ray like this. Another light ray it will be inciding at the pole. So image will form between P and F. Image will form between P and F. What is the nature of the image? So virtual erect and diminished. Compared to the object, image size is always decreased. In convex mirror, compared to the object, image size is always decreased. So object is between infinity and pole. So image will form between P and F. Nature of the image is virtual erect and size of the image is diminished. Size of the image is diminished. Clear? Any doubts? So anybody have any doubts related to this question? Just let me know. Right. Then concave mirror image formations completed. Okay, so next one, sign conventions are left. New Cartesian sign conventions. Sign conventions. Sign conventions. New Cartesian sign conventions also we can say. So sign convention, see, these sign conventions will be used in the problem solving. So according to the question, according to the data, whatever they given, so based on that, so we will work out on it. Sign conventions. Actually, I made a song on this. New Cartesian sign convention, new Cartesian sign convention, all measurements taken from the pole. Distance opposite along the instant race. Distance negative opposite to instant race. Distance positive above the principal axis. Distance negative below the principal axis. So like that, I made a song. So it's to remember, to recall. So it is the easiest method what I did. So now I will tell how to remember sign conventions, how to follow. Just you can see. So I'm considering the concave mirror like this. So this is a pole, focus, center of curvature. So here you can see pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. New Cartesian sign convention, new Cartesian sign convention, all the distance taken from the pole are all measurements. All measurements taken from the pole. So, all measurements will be taken from the pole. So, in the direction of incident, so along this direction, all are positive. What are those? Object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature. So, everything will be positive. So in the direction of incident rays along this direction, because all distances are measured from the pole. Along the incident rays, all are object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature all are positive. Opposite to incident rays, I am taking opposite to incident rays. So object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature all are negative. Along the direction will be taken in the direction of incident rays, all are positive. Whatever we are considering, all are positive. Opposite incident rays, all are negative. Opposite incident rays, all are negative. Above the principal axis, if you consider above the principal axis like this, so above the principal axis, all are positive. So what are those? Height of the image and height of the object. So below the principal axis, all are negative. So best example, sign conventions. So coordinate axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. How you are considering? Same here also. All measurements will be taken from the pole in the direction of incident rays. All distance, object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature, all are positive. So opposite incident rays, object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature, all are negative. Above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. Height of the image and height of the object. Okay. So this is about sign conventions. Coming to the mirror formula. Mirror formula. So if you take mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, so u is the object distance, v is the image distance, f is the focal length. Object distance, image distance, focal length. Object distance, image distance, focal length. Okay, so magnification, coming to the magnification. So height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. Okay, so there is a magnification. So you can consider m equal to minus v by u. because it's a mirror. Coming to the mirror, magnification is negative, so I'm considering m equal to minus v by u, right? So m equal to height of the image by height of the object. So that is the ratio of height of the image to height of the object is called magnification, right? So do you have any doubts related to this question, related to this concept? And one more thing, so I'm Siva sir, so completed BTech mechanical engineering, so 10 years experience in teaching. So if you want notes, handwritten notes, so you can pay 50 rupees to get the copy. So you can send to this number. Okay, after paying, you can send the screenshot and you will get the immediately soft copy notes. And if you want any explanation of any topic, okay, so you can pay 50 rupees for getting the explanation of any topic. So if you want a CBSE grade 10 physics, CBSE grade 10 physics course, so course fees 450 rupees, 450 rupees. So offer only in this live class. So those who are paying, those who are immediate, so this is a QR code, you can scan and pay. So those who are paying immediately will get the course. So immediately response will be given, okay, from my end. So this is our Siva sir. So only reflection completed. The next we'll discuss about refraction. Refraction also we will discuss. So stay tuned after a 10 minutes break. So now 10:40 again live class will be there. Okay, so join to the live class at 10:40. Thank you so much. This is Siva sir signing off.